Welcome back to Crossxpollination. It's good to have you come back and see my channel. For those of you who are new, hello, welcome. Today I'm actually going to be doing another sound check. I'm not really a drum engineer or a sound engineer, so bear with me, but this is going to be a sound check to a bossa nova with a cross-hibernation kind of feel going on in it, so it's a little of both worlds. Before I had two mics that were overhead. One was about 2.5 feet above the snare, the other was about 2.5 feet to the other side above the cymbals. And what I've done is I've now moved the one above the cymbals to in between the toms. So it brought down the cymbals and it brought up the toms. So the middle toms sound really good. Now I'm kind of missing the floor tom, so kick sounds good. There's a lot of things I gotta keep playing with, but I'm having fun. I looked for comments and I really didn't see too many comments about, the sound last time, so please make some comments. Let me know how you like it, what you don't like, and I'll keep playing with it and having fun with it. So enjoy this, and we're just enjoying some of these new songs and these mics and mic placement and everything. I think the sound sounds pretty good, so thanks and welcome back. Watching. Don't forget to hit the like button below, share with your friends and musicians. I make new videos each week, so ring that bell to subscribe and receive the latest of my videos and notifications.